Welcome to Pandesar math class. Children, today I am going to teach you function. What is a function? Function is a rule of mapping of set from one set to another set. Means, suppose this is a set A. In this set, members are 1, 2, 3, and take another set B. And in this set, members are alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Now, if each of these elements are associated with some unique and distinct element in set B, then it is called a function from set A to B, and we represent it in this way. Here, suppose 1 is associated with alpha, 2 is associated with gamma, 3 is associated with beta. So, what we are observing here, each members are associated. No members should left in set A. In set B, any extra member is there, no problem. But in set A, all member must be associated with some unique element, distinct element. This means no one element can associate with more than one element. Means if it is like this means one is associated with alpha and one is also associated with delta, then in this case this is not a function, because one element can associate with only with one element in set B. One element of set A can associate with only one element of set B, then only it is a function. Take another example of function. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D. Here 1 is associated with B, 2 is also associated with D, and 3 is associated with D. What we are observing? We are observing here that all members of set A are associated with some element of set B, and no one element has associated with more than two element of set B. So it is a function. Okay. Take third example. 1, 2, 3, A, E, I. If it is like this, then it is not a function. Then it is not a function from set A to B. Why? Because one element has linked with more than two elements of set B. Two different elements can link with same member of set B, but same member cannot link with more than one element of set B. If it is, then it is not a function. So this one is your function, this one is your function. Now, set A, from where mapping has started, is called your domain. So for this function, domain is A, and it is linking with member of set B, so set B is your codomain. And what member of set B are linked with set A are called range. So range of this function is your R equal to, here alpha, beta and gamma are linked. So alpha, beta and gamma, this is range of this function. And similarly we can find for this, domain is your set A, this one is the function. So domain is your set A, that is, you can write 1, 2, 3 in this way also. Codomain is your complete set B, and if you want to write member, then you can write in this way A, B, C and D. And what about range? Range equal to B and D are only associated with a set member, so B and D is the range of this function. And this is not a function, so no question of finding domain, codomain and range. Now, types of function. In broad sense, we can divide set into two parts. That is function in two parts. That is one function and many one function. Now, what is one function? suppose 1 is linked with this, B is linked with 4, C is linked with 2, and D has associated with C. So what we are observing that, all members must be associated. This is the first condition of a function. Okay, so all members are associated. Now how they have associated? They have associated. See, A has associated with 1. All these are different. Means different element has linked with different element of set B. So like this function is called your 1-1 function. So this is example of your 1-1 function. Now many one function example. Here, what we are say all elements have link, and they have linked with distinct element of set B. Now, A, B, and D, they have linked with a single element of set B, which is possible, but no single element can link with more than one element of set B. So this is a function. Since there are more than one element of set A are linked with same element of set B, so like this function is called many one function. Okay, now some more varieties of functions. Into function. This is the function, there is no doubt, because all members are associated and they have got unique and distinct image or link of set B. So this is your function. Now what we are observing? We are observing that all of them have got different association. So means no two different element has linked here with same element of set B. So like this function is called your one-one function, as well as what we are observing, there is one element in set B which has no link with any element of set A. So like this function is called into function. So what is the definition of into function we are getting from here? We are getting that if there is any extra element in codomain, that is in second set, which is not linked, at least one, means it is possible that more element can be there in set B, but one must be there, okay, which is not linked with any element of set A, which is unused, we can say, then that type of function is called into function. So again we are getting from here two varieties of into function. First one, one into function, and another one many one into function. Say this is one function, there is no doubt, because all of them have got different linkages, as well as it is your into function. So this is also example of one into function. From here only we are getting example of one into function. What about many one into function? Take 1, 2, 3. If I make like this, A, B, same examples, I am taking same data, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. 1 is linked with gamma, 2 is also linked with gamma, and 3 you can link with gamma or different element, no problem. So here we are finding what? It is your function, there is no doubt. Now there are two elements which are not linked with any element of domain, that is set A. So like this function is called your many one into. Many one because this is your many one function as well as it is into function. So this function is called many one into function. Now unto function. This is a function, there is no doubt, it is your 1 1 function also. Now what we are observing, there is no extra element is there, okay, which is not unused. So like this function is called your unto function. Means for into function, all element of codomain must be linked with some element of set A. Then that type of function is called your unto function. So this is example of your unto function, as well as this is example of your 1 1 unto function. Okay, so for unto function again two types we will get. One is your 1 1 unto, another one is your many one unto. 1 1 unto is also called your bijective function. 1 1 unto function is also called bijective function. Please note down 1 1 unto function is called bijective function. Bijective function. Many one, example of many one unto function. 1 2 3, here take same alpha beta 2 I am taking. So many one unto, this is linked with this, and this is linking with B. Make here any say A, B. So this is your function. Now no extra element is there which is unused. So this is your unto function, and since two different element has got same image, this you can also put as image of these two element. We also use this term image. Alpha is image of 1, beta is image of 2, gamma is image of 3. So this is example of your many one unto function. So thank you. Please keep on watching my next video.